want you to be safe. So pretty please to stay seated with your hands, arms, wings, all your legs, and all your feet inside when I take you on my fun little ride. Und mamas and papas, please watch your children. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con sus manos, piernas y pies dentro de esta linda oruguita. Y por favor, cuidar muy bien a sus oruguitas. Help me to go find something to eat. Come on, everybody, here we go. Carrots are orange, just like candy corn. But I must eat all my carrots before I get any candy corn. Let's go over and eat a nice juicy apple. I think I ate a watermelon seed. I hope I don't grow a big watermelon in my tummy. There's a fork in the road. Smells so yummy in here. Oh! And it tastes so yummy too. Here I come, little hamburger. Oh, I'm so glad I left room for dessert. Goody, goody. Oh, there's so many goodies. Treats and sweets are my favorite things to eat. Oh, all of this chewing has made me full. Oh, excuse me.